Alright, so this is subtracting fractions with unlike denominators, written in two different ways. So let's say we've got 2/3 minus 1/4. Alright, so you can see that it's written horizontally. What we're going to do is we're going to take 3 and 4, we're going to create like denominators. So we've got to find the least common denominator. So in my head I'm thinking of all of the multiples of these numbers, and I am figuring out where they intersect, and it turns out that it's 12. So that's the least common denominator. So I'm going to put these in twelfths. I'm going to say to myself, how did I go from 3 to 12? I went times 4, which means I need to go times 4 on the top. How did I go from 4 to 12? Times 3, which means I need to go times 3 on the top. And now I'm simply going to subtract the numerators. 5/12. You might see a problem written this way. Let's go 6/7 minus 1/5. Alright. It's helpful to create an equivalent fraction off to the right rather than trying to do the cancel out thing all in there. So 7 and 5, the least common denominator is 35. So we're going to put this in 35ths. How did I go from 7 to 35? I went times 5, so I'm going to go times 5 on the top. Put that in 30ths. 5 times 7 is how I got to 35, so I have to do times 7 on the top. 7 35ths, and now I'm going to subtract the numerators, giving me 23 35ths, which is in lowest terms. So that's subtracting fractions with unlike denominators.